Hey guys, James here again at Gears Banawe, and this time we're giving Belle another little treat. Some of you may remember the previous video where we spoiled her and showered her with some beautiful rims and tires. This time we're going to go for some mats, because mats matter. If you want to keep your car clean, that's the only way to do it. You don't want to drag in all your garbage in there and start ruining your carpet. Today we're going with a sort of heavy-duty setup. This could be for an off-road setup, but it works well for day-to-day. It's called Backliner. It's from Thailand. And what I particularly like about this, and why I really wanted to show you, if we can get in deep here, is I wanted to show you what makes it unique. You see, it goes all the way up here for a start. I like that. And I like the fact that it's all the way to the edge. This is all 3D cut. So it comes from a 3D cut, which gives it a perfect fit. And there are 23 different parts to this. So you can't get it all fitting in one. I know sometimes some will sell you this whole sort of 3 or 4 piece set. You're not going to get a perfect fit like that. If you really want to cover every edge, you're going to want to have things that cover all the way. So 23 different ones really fit all the way to the edge. Now, it's very, very durable. That's the promise there. What I want to know is it's really functional, because let's face it, when you're sort of in there, it's how it feels. So we're looking at the grip. I hate mats that sort of curl up and slip. This one here, that's as hard as I can go. It's not moving. It's a combination of Velcro, but the Velcro is very small here, and these sort of rubber little feet over here. This is what makes it stick so perfectly well. Now, if you just look at the way it's all right up until the edge, it gives it that really professional look. You don't really want to have anything where it's over the edges and stuff like that. So this should protect Belle from all of the harshness that you normally drag outside into your car. And now we're going to see how this goes. We'll also keep you up to date on what it's like maybe in 6 months, in a year's time. We'll let you know how it fares. But right now, I love the look. I love the grip. I love how my feet feel on it, because it doesn't slip. All those things are very important, but the most important thing is it will protect the interior of your car.